Hey guys, this is Evan from the Swing Trade Pros team here, and in this short video, I'm going to show you guys some great opportunities for all those people that love penny stock trades. This one's for you. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first penny stock here that I'm looking at is this stock called iPoint Pharmaceuticals. As you guys can see, this stock is completely destroyed. It is, if you look left, at a critical level of support, and you can see the highest level of volume that's ever come into the stock in August of 2020. Today it had a bit of a nice day. It was up 2%. Now, I don't typically trade penny stocks, but I figured I want to show some of my newer traders and some newer viewers here about some penny stock trades that could possibly benefit you guys, right? So if you guys like that, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick that little bell. All right, so let's get into some technicals on this stock. Now, I don't really know too much of the fundamentals on this stock, so I'm basically just looking for technical setups, okay? So as you guys know, fundamentals and technicals, if they do align, could obviously bring a big move. I'm solely basing this on technicals, so make sure you guys do your due diligence before entering some of these trades. As I am not a financial advisor, I am just simply pointing something out to you guys that I see on the chart. All right, so let's take a look and just dissect this this stock right here. Okay, so as I said before, at a critical level of support, if you look left, from September of 2008, the bottom. Okay, we are at the bottom on this stock. Now, be very careful. I know the NASDAQ delists stocks if they are under $1 for a significant time period. So far, they haven't been delisted, but like I said, be very careful when trading these. If they're under $1, they can be delisted at any time, so you might want to do some research on that before, again, entering this type of trade. What I see here is a nice falling wedge pattern or descending wedge pattern that at a critical level of support, you know, weekly at the bottom of the RSI, obviously has a great potential for a nice move to the upside. We're looking at maybe around this 78 cents area, which is the top of the wedge. If we get a breakout, well, you guys already know 50% retraces or 618 up to 618. Okay, so if we just went from the top of the wedge here to the bottom of the wedge, we're looking anywhere between these resistance areas, which actually line up directly with the Fibonacci levels. So we're looking first for this 69.70 cent area. Once we get above that, we're looking at around 90 cents and on up to $1.05. And if we get up to this 618, $1.28. So you're looking at almost a 3x trade. This could take some time. This is not going to happen overnight. Let's get to the next one here, which is CRON, obviously a marijuana stock in the weed sector. This is under 15 bucks, so it technically is a penny stock. And as you guys can see, I've had this charted for quite some time. I've actually traded this numerous amounts of times. As you guys can see, we are about to break out of this major wedge. We had a fake breakout here, came back down into the wedge, and now it looks like it's ready to go. So this is something to look out for. We're looking, you know, our first roll target on this is around that $6.15 area here on the weekly. And if we can get above that, well, we're looking around the $7.18 area. As you can see, I have plotted here the 382 fib extension around 8 bucks, and our next level here around $9. So again, almost a double up here in potential value on this trade setup. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that little bell if you guys like the content here. I'm going to get to one other stock here. It's also in the weed sector, Tilray. This stock had quite a bit of a move today, around 6%. Now, guys, I'm not really liking this stock too much for a long term, but maybe for a short term, a trade. Obviously, it is in this massive falling structure. Okay, it did bottom here back in March during Corona, and it looks like we might have bottomed here in September. Okay, now if that's the case, again, this is just speculative. I'm not saying that this is a for sure thing that's going to happen. I am just identifying something here on the chart. Looks like we do have some sort of bottoming action here, and on the daily, looks like we're holding a support, and also on the RSI, we're starting to head back up into the bullish territory. We're not quite in bullish territory. We're on 45 on the RSI. Technically, still bears in control. But if you look at the MFI here, we have buy signals that came in towards the middle of September, end of September. and we sort of bottomed out here. All right, if we go to like a 4-hour time scale, you can see that we're trying to make higher highs and higher lows. All right, now today we kind of made around the same high. Okay, we were not able to break that level. Okay, it looks like, I think that this is the okay, the 100 simple moving average obviously acting as a resistance. If it can get above that, well, you got really nothing here until you get back into this falling structure that actually it broke down out of, and we'd be looking obviously to trade this back up to the I think this is the 50 simple and up to this major resistance here around $7. And if we do get out of the wedge, well guys, then we're looking, you know, at these levels, $8.77, $9 areas, and all the way back up to these previous highs that it made back in May. All right, guys. Well, if you guys like this content, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and tick the little bell. Hopefully these trade setups will help you guys in the shorter term here, maybe longer term, maybe a couple weeks, couple months for these to play out. Again, these are longer term swing trades. So make sure you guys keep that in mind. This is not going to happen overnight. And if you guys want to get our daily alerts that we do post in our Discord, make sure you guys check out the link in the description for our Discord. And you can message me, Mr. Know-It-All, on the channel. You can message STP Todd or STP Ninja Trader. All right. Thank you guys so much, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.